The Trino fireplace stove is supplied without installed tiles. The stove and tiles are packed separately. Tiles must always be inspected when received. Remove tiles from shipping boxes and visually inspect them again. Referring to the enclosed tile installation guide, lay the tiles out based on their respective numbering. Always start installation with lower tiles. Stick ceiling to holders on both the left and right sides and then fit the respective tiles to the holders. If tiles cannot be easily fitted, slightly adjust the position of holders with pliers as needed. Stick the self-adhesive distance tape to the upper edge of the lower tiles. Install the second and third row of tiles on both the left and right sides in the same way as above. Tiles can be slightly adjusted after loosening bolts of the side tile holders. Close the stove skeleton by fitting the top metal lid to the ready-made holes using the guide pins. Make the final adjustment by pressing the tiles down and aligning joints with the stove's front edge. Tiles must be handled very carefully to prevent damage during installation. Visually check the final layout of tiles and alignment of joints.